Hey guys, it's Jewelyn. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my home here in Santa Monica, California. I'm very casual. I just finished my morning workout at the beach and I am heading out of town in 2 days for the weekend. There's a lot happening right now in my space and I have the morning off. I still have to finish editing my 1 hour long episode. I edited till like midnight and then I was falling asleep. I was like, okay, I'll finish it up this morning. But I have a new love seat arriving at any given moment right now. So my place is really crazy. So I'm in the process of redesigning my space with my new schedule. I'm here every day and I work out of my space every day. So I'm trying to revamp it, including my bathroom, so stay tuned. My love seat is about to arrive at any second, so I kind of cleared this area where my gate is so that none of my plants will get ruined. And then once my love seat arrives, I'll share with you my little haul of the few things that I got this morning, and then I'm going to spray 2 things white, and so that when I do my next planting with Jewelyn episode, I can go ahead and fill them. So today's video is just a casual video, a little update and a little haul along with a little DIY. So it's a mixture of a few things. I hope you guys enjoy this video. That's it? Oh my gosh.
It's supposed to be bigger?
Well, yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna put it together. Can it fit through the gate? Oh my god, you guys are awesome. Alright, so now I'm back in my house. There's so much chaos happening right now, but I'm hoping that I can get a lot done today and tomorrow before I leave out of town for the weekend. So here is the first thing that I got. And I scored this for about $15, which to me is a really good deal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to display this on my wooden gate, because right now I have like Bob Marley, I have my willow fins out there, and a few other interesting plants right by my gate entranceway to this patio in my space. So I'm going to go ahead and place this on the wooden gate, but I'm going to spray it white. So I got me spray from my local hardware store the other day when I got my DIY supplies for my bathroom shelf. So I'm going to go ahead and spray this white along with my wire basket that I got from the 99-cent store with Catherine. I'll spray that probably after this, and I'll share with you guys my little quick DIY for that. And I'll let it air dry so that maybe tomorrow or when I come back on Monday, I can go ahead and fill the 2 baskets for the channel and for my space. So here is the last things that I want to share with you for my little haul. And these are so cute. I love this color. A little pop of color is good with me. I am going to use these for my 2 ferns in my bathroom in my tension rod, which has my 2 ferns. So I ordered me some plastic baskets, which is going to come in, I want to say maybe tomorrow. And then I'm going to fill those with my ferns. They're in a white color. And I decided to do plastic so that I can hang a few more things on the tension rod without being super heavy or worrying that if the plant did fall, that nothing would crack. So I think a white plastic planter with the ferns and in these macrame hangers in my bathroom is going to look so cute. And these cost me about $11 each, which I think was really reasonable. I really love my carpet and I'm sitting on it right now. I don't know exactly where the carpet is going in relation to my other carpet, because my carpet that I got from Morocco, and I have 2 carpets that I got from Morocco, which I absolutely love. And I was going to get me another carpet in Egypt, but I went a little crazy with the costumes and decided to go that route as far as for weight in my suitcase. But when I do go back to the Middle East, I would like to buy another rug for my place. But for now, I got this rug right up the street, like 2 blocks away from me, and I absolutely love it. It was like around $55, which I think is really inexpensive. I love pop colors like this, and the pattern is super cute. So I'm going to redesign my space. So stay tuned for a studio tour in the future when I go ahead and redesign my space, and I think it's gonna look so cute. I do have like this shelving unit where I had all of my glass jars up against my wall here by my one window, but I bought me a baker's rack, which I'll share with you in the new updated tour, and I have a few plants on the top, so that worked out well. I'm not too sure what I'm gonna do with this shelf though. I could easily fill it with plants and leave it in front of my bed. I do not know, but I wanted to share with you just a few things that I did get. I'll go ahead and I'll spray it white now so that it can dry for a couple of days, so that when I do my planting with Jewelyn episode, hopefully in the next one, I'll be able to fill the 2 wire planters, and I think it'll look really nice white. So I'm gonna go outside and do a little DIY. So I just finished spraying the back portion of it. I'll give it a few minutes. Maybe after I'm done setting up my couch, I'll come back to this. I'll spray it on the other side and it'll be good to go for my next project. Alright, so that's gonna wrap up today's casual vlog update on our space and a little plant haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more updates on my space, and stay tuned for a planting with Jewelyn, where I go ahead and I style these few things that I got into my space. If you're new, welcome. I have hundreds of videos on my channel that you can binge watch on. I know a lot of you like starting your morning with my video. I do daily videos on this channel. It goes live at 5 a.m. Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Until next time, aloha from Santa Monica, California. Bye!